Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to solve the next problem, interval cancellation. So let's get started. Let's say you want to execute a function repeatedly after certain time, like after every 30 seconds, you want to execute a function. In those scenarios, in JavaScript, we can make use of setInterval. So here, the problem is interval cancellation. Let us see how the problem is. So given a function, array of arguments and interval time, we have to return a cancellation function. So let us write that function first of all. So this will be an arrow function. Let's keep this as a empty arrow function right now. So after a delay of some time in milliseconds, so the returned cancel function will be invoked. So the returned cancel function will be invoked after certain time. So they are making use of set timeout. So the function fn should be called with arguments immediately. Here we have to call this fn function with arguments immediately. Here we are supposed to use a rest operator in order to pass the arguments to this fn function. So this should be called immediately. So that's what we are doing here. Again, every t milliseconds. So what they are saying is the function fn should be called initially immediately and then called again every t milliseconds. So it has to be repeated. So I will create a variable called interval and I will store this a function reference called setInterval. So I will make use of this setInterval to repeatedly call the function. So this will take a callback function after every t milliseconds. Inside this callback function, we have to execute this fn function. The function should be called with arguments immediately and then called again every t milliseconds. So every t milliseconds this gets called until cancel function is invoked. So until this function is invoked, if at all if you execute this cancel function, we have to simply clear the interval. So I will simply call clearInterval and to this I will pass this interval parameter. Not parameter, it's a variable which contains the setInterval reference. So that's the problem. So let us try to run the problem. Okay, so let's get submitted. Alright, so the submission is accepted. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more content. I will see you in the next video.